Did you hit you in the face? Today I miss
You can't even do it.
Today I miss.
You see?
Today I miss Midnight Mavericks.
Oh, how many Miss Midnight Mavericks are there? You can't even do it.
What are we doing today?
We're kicking my car out of the garage. My poor car. Hello. Today we are finishing pulling everything out of my wrecked car here, and now we're gonna kick it outside. We've got the door off. We didn't film that. We're gonna take all the electronics out, intercooler. I'm gonna try and get the headliner out. I've been told it's not possible, but I don't believe that. Get all the things out of this car that we're going to use on the next car, then take a trip over to Harbor Freight, get a car cover, and then kick the poor thing outside where it's like tornadoing right now, if you can't tell. California tornadoes. Ow. Take all this stuff out of here. Water tank. Got water in it still. This thing's just dusty. Right there. Coolest intercooler ever. What's cooler than being cool? Get all the useful stuff out of here. We already did all this. And you get all the wires out, all the sensors.
Getting full here. Those are big hoses.
It's nasty in there. It's getting a little mold.
What? Crushed? Oh yeah. Whoa. Apparently this car had a nice patch job done.
I got one left. Shit. No. Okay, that should be it. Check it.
It fell over. Well, unbolt the massive cylinder. I could probably use that on the mirror.
What? Oh, what? What am I gonna use for really?
Yours is gonna go, it's gonna be different. Probably won't be there anymore. I'll buy the right mount for that so it's centered.
What?
I like it centered.
This? Yeah, I don't like it off to the side. Like, I never looked at it.
Maybe that's good. Maybe we should put BGs onto the side.
No, he'll just get distracted and drive into a wall. Oh, maybe that was
I mean, you looked at it, maybe it was so far out of the way that you had to look at it before you concentrated on something else.
It was just like when I was driving down the track, I didn't look at it because I didn't want to keep my eyes that far off the track. And I wasn't too far that I couldn't glance if something went wrong, but rarely ever did anything go wrong that I really needed.
Motor-wise?
Yeah, like there were never any weird motor noise. The only time it did was when the rear end and the blower drive broke.
And what'd you look at?
I looked at the screen. I looked at the oil pressure. I looked at RPM. But I mean, most of the time if something goes wrong, I would just shut it down, which is what I did when I realized that was wrong. But that thing doesn't work when you shut it down. Who was saying? Someone was saying that their screen still works. Was it BG? His screen still works when he shuts the.
Yeah, he has to shut his power.
The engine down?
He has to shut his switch off. That's the way we should do this.
Yeah, because if this is still reading, because I shut it off and that just.
Yeah, his with the power off, he can load tunes with the power off.
So that means it would still record. So it would still record drive shaft speed. It would still record like.
Yeah. That
makes sense. Because as soon as the power shuts off, it doesn't read anything. Yeah, we'll learn along the way. We did it the way that we thought.
Got the dash out.
There we go. I might just sell this dash into the big one.
Big one.
The big one.
Oh, the display. Holly display.
Yeah. I like the big one.
Yeah. It's like a flat screen too. It's not like.
Yeah.
That's a way better deal on those. You nut-serted them.
Huh?
You nut-serted them, so you just unscrew them.
Much easier. I don't think I'll be filling out tech cards in this thing anymore.
What you doing?
I'm undoing my wiring board so I can move it out of the way and get my intercooler out.
Your Holly EFI all the way.
Yeah.
We have to open up that hole on that side.
Well,
That all the wires that went to your trans dump and
yeah.
trans brake and.
Well, I mean, with the shape of the floor pan in this thing, you might be able to just punch a hole through it. Oh, I think the other one is under here. If I remember correctly. Oh, wait, maybe not. I couldn't remember there was something under this. I could be wrong though. It was like 3 years ago. There's just shit everywhere.
Wires. It's crazy how many wires there are.
Not just wires, just all the things that come out of the crevices when you.
Yeah, this car wasn't dirty before you crashed it.
Clean. And now it's just like there's just stuff everywhere.
It was like dog food.
Came out of all the cracks, all the little hiding places.
Little piece of dog food right there. What's the story with that?
This car will never be rid of dog food ever. I don't know. One time I put a bag of dog food in here. Just one time, so I can get a little more traction on the street race. And it opened up in the trunk, and ever since there's been dog food just living in here.
Little nugget. I think that could be the last one, but we don't know.
I doubt it's the last one. We could turn this car upside down and shake it, and there would still be dog food in here, I swear.
Is that the magic intercooler?
The magic one.
What were the inlet temps?
42 degrees.
42. And what were they at the end?
Like 55. I mean, if it was hot out, like when we were in Texas in July, is that like end of June, July? I think they got up to like 75. On a normal day, it was chilly. Oh, this thing's gonna be heavy, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's full to the brim.
Yeah, you can see the water in it.
I should probably get a towel and put it over the electronics.
Let me get that.
What?
Nothing.
I don't have like a little cutter. Like I feel like this is overboard. I feel like this is way too beefy for this.
Perfect grinding attire.
Hmm?
Wear your gloves?
That's a good idea.
Whoa! What you got there?
Need a wrench.
Wrench?
About like 9/16 half inch. Ooh, that's in the frame.
What you got?
Some wires. Just a few. Hey, just calm yourself over there. Slowly, like, fitting it all through. You just tug on it. Things are caught.
Oh, there's still more?
Yeah. Just that.
No, I wonder why people run carburetors.
I asked Brian why it took so long to wire this. We just unwired it in an hour.
Okay, there's only one wire. I don't know where it goes. I don't know where it's at.
What wire?
It's right here.
Right where?
As it goes into, I don't know what these are for.
Let me figure it out.
Oh, I know what it's for.
That's dash wires.
No,
What?
I know exactly what it's for.
What?
Right here.
Oh, for the button. That's what it is. Yeah, just cut that. You can afford new wires for that.
Okay, so we gotta cut the floorboard for the other stuff.
Oh, for this right here?
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Let's try and move this way.
oh, that's a good one. That's a double plate right there.
It's a what?
That's a double plate.
It's a double play? Like baseball?
Double plate. Is he looking for me?
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's get set up to do that. Clarence is coming.
I see myself like cutting right through the cord.
When you come through the door. Did you hit you in the face?
That's a good thing I'm wearing this thing. It's smacking me right. It would have hit me like right in the eyebrow.
Clarence.
Maybe. Maybe not.
Yeah. That got snipped from the impact.
I don't do something now. It's like, come on, man.
It's like right there. I heard something.
Yeah. It's gonna come out real nice now. Look at that.
I think that's it.
Is that it?
Yeah, let's get this son of a bitch out of here. Your whole car.
Maverick for sale.
Clean one owner.
I'll cut off the crash part. Ugh. I was trying to get this like nice and organized before I pulled it out. I'm not struggling with spaghetti, but it wanted to pull itself out. You can have that, Joel. Ugh. A lot of work just undid in like an hour. Nuts.
I don't think he knows what he's doing.
I'm gonna just put it on the ground. Get out of the way. It's ready for a carburetor. Let's go.
Carburetor.
Carburetor. Right.
Why is it rusty right there?
Condensation. Or when you flooded my car.
I flooded the car.
Flooded it. I had a very, very important drag race. We flooded my car on the starting line.
Saboteured. Brandon paid me off.
What?
I'm just,
I wouldn't doubt it.
I'm just messing.
Oh, the shifter.
Yeah.
Oh,
Buckled.
buckled there.
And then
Oh, right there. Yeah, over here. Right here. Over there. It's all like, it's just crunched all in here. That's it's like, all of this is,
compressed.
yeah. This is compressed back. Look at that, jeez.
It's funny because you look at the car and it's like, oh, it's bad, but it's not. Like the front end.
It doesn't look that bad in like pictures and videos and like,
Yeah.
when I look at it, I can see what's wrong with it. Like I can see that there's a good 4 inches that it's crushed from the outside.
Yeah. This
But
is all buckled right here.
it's, I don't know.
It's got buckled.
Yeah, this paint all popped off of it.
By the way, how's your wrist these days?
It still bothers me. It's not like terrible, but when I go and like try and wrench on something or like when I open a jar, it hurts. I can't like, it's annoying. It'll fix itself, I guess, eventually. Or not, who knows?
All right, well, what are we doing?
I don't remember. We're done. Most, I mean, we gotta put everything in totes to put the door back on, but we're done.
Empty.
Maverick parts for sale.
Got a door.
For sale. The door's not for sale. The door's going on the wall. Oh, what about the headliner?
Not worried about it.
Fine.
Mr. D is not gonna put that headliner in another one.
I'll put it in. Do it my own self if you won't do it. We'll get that a different day, I guess.
All right, and we're cleaning up.